So hello guys, welcome to your own channel Tech Programming CS IT, and in this video we are going to make a project on the Python, which is Snake Water Gun Game. And this project is going to be really important for all those beginners who have started coding and want to pursue it for long. So who also want to develop the coding skills, this is going to be that video which would be helping you guys to make a better concept in Python and make some basic projects, would also be giving you a decent amount of confidence. So let's start off. Now we are going to make a game. So firstly I want to import random function. I'll tell you later why I'm importing this, and we'll write or type a welcome to our snake welcome to our game. That would be good. And another print statement, type 1 for snake, print type 2 for water, and print type 3 for gun. So this is what I want. Now we are going to take a variable that could be user underscore choice. This is our variable, and in this int input. So what this line of code does is that it takes input from the user in the form of integers. That means it only takes integers input. Okay, now let me write a few if statements. If user underscore choice equals to 1, then print you choose snake. Another if statement, if user underscore choice equals to, and it is important to put double equals to. Okay, print you choose water, and again another print statement, you choose gun. Okay, now let's see if this is working or not. If you can see in the terminal, it is asking me welcome to our game, type 1 for snake, water and gun respectively. So I'm going to type 2. Let's take what. Yes, it's working. We have done it right until now. So now let's use our random function. Why we are going to use our random function? The random function will be helping us to take the choices from the behalf of computer. So we'll write computer underscore choice equals to random dot choice and choice, and I'm going to give it a lst list, and we are going to make a list also, lst. So what we use for the list is that square brackets, and then we are going to give numbers 1, 2 and 3. So what really happen is will be happening was that computer's choice equals to random dot choice, and we have given that lst. So what computer will be doing with is that computer will choose one, either 2 or 3 numbers. I mean 1, 2 and 3. It will be choosing a single number from that list. Okay, now if computer underscore choice equals to 1, we'll write those same things. Okay, so let me copy this, and then we will basically edit it. Now okay, that would be good. Now if computer here will be also coming computer, and I think that's good. Let's see by printing this, print computer underscore choice. Let's see. Okay, we don't require that, I think. Let's see if it is working or not. One for me, you choose snake. Okay, so the computer basically chose snake, so we have to make changes into our print statements. Let's do it. We'll put computer at the place of you. Computer choose those things, and that's what it looks like, and now it will work completely fine. Now this is the most important part of the video. If you have seen the video till now, this is the most important part. If you can see this, definitely see this, because it is really important. Now what we are going to do is that if user underscore choice equals to 1 and computer underscore choice equals to 1, then print you both won. Okay, now what this line of code is doing is that if I choose 1 means snake, and the computer also choose snake, then this means that we both have choose snake, and basically we both have won. Okay, now in next line of code I'm just simply putting it up, equals to 1 and computer underscore choice equals to 2, then print. Now I choose snake and the computer chose water, so I should be winning because snake basically drinks water, so we'll be printing you won. Okay, and now this is the last part of this, user underscore choice equals to 1 and computer underscore choice equals to 3. Now what really happens is that we chose snake, computer chose gun, so we can kill the snake by gun, so basically computer won. So computer won. That's how it should work. And now we are going to write another set for the user choice. If you see that user choice is 1 here. Okay, now we will be writing code for the user choice which will be 2. If user underscore choice equals to, we should give space 2, and or we can directly copy it, the whole thing, because it will save both my time and your time also. Copy. Yeah. Now we'll put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Now what really happens is that computer is choosing water always. Now we are choosing water always, so water versus snake, that means computer won. Water means both won, and we chose water and that chose computer chose gun, so we won. You won. Okay, now if we go further, again copy this for the 3rd time, and I think this is going to be the last time. Now project is going to be completed soon, so let's do this 3. Now if we are snake water gun, if we are choosing gun, then the computer is choosing snake, then we won. And if we are choosing gun and Snake is choosing water, then computer won. And we both are choosing gun, then we both won. So this should work, I think. And I will also write a print statement here. Thank you, what's happening, you for playing this game. Okay, and I will also write a print statement here. Welcome to our YT channel. Okay, now it's completed, I think. So let's see if it is working or not. So we will choose the water this time. So it is showing that you chose water, that's correct. Computer chose gun, so we won. This is the game basically, and it is working all right, I think. Let's run it again. Let me choose gun this time. Let's see what computer chooses. We choose gun, basically you choose gun, computer choose snake, so we again won. And this is happening at a random rate. There is nothing planned. Computer is making just random choices, and according to that we are giving results. So this is not that every time I'll be winning or the computer will be winning or we both will be winning. So this, anything could happen. Let me check this time. Now if you see, computer choose gun, so computer won. So this is how that game works, or the project works. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll meet you in the next video, and we'll be doing another amazing project in the next video. So to get updates about our channel and the videos which we will be posting, please hit the like button and subscribe to that channel now. So we'll meet you again in the next video, and until then, bye bye.